Everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all have a bag review. Yes, I have a bag review for you all. If you here for this here bag review, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So before I get into this here bag review, I'm gonna share really quick how I store my bags inside of my closet. Didn't mention my Louis Vuitton Oden PM did come in this here dust bag, and anytime my bags comes with dust bags, tissue paper, stuffing, or whatever, I normally put back in the bags to store them inside of my closet. So yeah, this one I didn't have any stuffing to stuff this here particular bag with, so I just had it inside of this dust bag. Chance to wear this bag. If y'all didn't know, I was wearing my graceful PM, and when I tell you I was wearing that bag non-stop, like non-stop, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and pull this here Louis Vuitton bag out, you all, because Oden PM is like one of my favorite prints from Louis Vuitton because of the fact that it's carefree. You don't have to worry about if it rains, sleet, or snow. In Georgia, it can be sunny and shining, and next thing you know, it'll start raining. So with this particular bag, I don't have to worry about anything. My birthday bag, which what was the birthday bag? I forgot the name because I think it was Bowie, it's something like that. I will insert the cards for that particular unboxing. So I do still have that. I haven't worn that as of yet, but I do plan to wear that sometime soon. I had a chance to pull this out, so I was like, oh, let me do a bag review and also share what's inside of my bag. And this here is the Oden PM. This is not the MM size. This here is the PM. The MM I wasn't even looking at all because it is a little bigger. This here for me is the perfect size. It fits all my essentials. The bags I have been purchasing lately have been like really like small grab and go type bags. The last few bags I brought have been a little bigger than those really small bags. This here I can carry a little more than my essentials, if you get what I'm saying, because sometimes you need more than just a wallet, your keys, and lip gloss. Here on the front you do have, let me try to pull this to the front. So here in the front you do have two zippers, and I like that because of the fact that you can actually zipper your bag one way, or you can meet the zippers in the middle and just have the hardware just hanging like so. Mention Louis Vuitton has the best hardware in my opinion. Zippers to meet in the middle. So have a front pocket which can fit your iPhone. I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm still waiting for the new one to come out, y'all, because I know there's one coming out. So that can fit inside of the front pocket. I like to keep my iPhone in the front pocket because I'm always filming videos, taking pictures, or when I'm in a store I try to do like little videos of what I'm shopping for or buying or whatever, because my daughter and I went to the movies yesterday and I took pictures in the movies. So I'm that girl that needs to have her cell phone by her at all times. You do have this here little luggage tag with Louis Vuitton on the front, and it's like an actual gold Louis Vuitton symbol in the front, on the front. Excuse me, y'all, I didn't have my coffee this morning. But anyway, okay, y'all, I was over here choking. I didn't have my cup of coffee because I was trying to film early this morning. Pull a luggage tag in the front. You can remove this and put something else on here. I'm not sure if I will ever remove it because as you can see, it goes very well with the bag. So if I didn't mention, you have your black leather on the four corners of the bag, which is the front, and you also have it showing on the back of the bag, which I like because it adds some you know, extraness to the bag. Goes along with the luggage tag and also the black leather on the strap, because for some reason I just couldn't see. I mean, I can see the bag being all damier being, but I just like the fact that they added the black to it, because it just made this bag look so much better in my opinion. I didn't mention you can take the straps off, and I did see a video on YouTube where a lady had purchased like a black beaded strap off of Amazon, and I was looking into that. I haven't pulled the trigger to purchase it yet, but I think I want to, because now carrying this particular bag, I would enjoy carrying it like on my shoulder. Like, I wish this strap could go like really short where it can be just like a shoulder bag, because I like it as a crossbody, but the stuff I have in here is a little heavy, so it was like not digging in my shoulder, but it was a little uncomfortable. If this was like a shoulder bag, it would be perfectly fine. But even though it was a little heavy, the strap did help hold that weight. And I feel like if this strap was any thinner, like my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, it probably would have killed my shoulder. Louis Vuitton, I remember a while ago I had traveled with that to PA to see the grandkids. When I come home, I'm bringing stuff from Wawa, like the stores, bringing back, you know, a lot of snacks and chips and whatever I can fit in that bag. That's what I was bringing in my Neverfull. But when I tell you, bag killed my shoulder, like it killed my shoulder to the point where I do not travel with that bag anymore. When I travel to see the grandkids now, I travel with my Longchamp, because no matter how much I put in that particular bag, it doesn't dig inside. It doesn't dig in my shoulders. Like that Neverfull, ooh child, it killed me so bad. I was like, we can't do this no more. We cannot do this. By this strap being a lot thicker, it holds the weight, whereas though it's not as bad as the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. And this strap is adjustable. I didn't even pull the clear paper off of it as of yet. We have Louis Vuitton here on the hardware of this particular strap. We have Louis Vuitton written on the leather part of this particular strap, and like that it has this here little loop to hold the strap, because you know sometimes with bags that don't have that, eventually within time it'll just look a mess. So I like the fact that you can place your strap inside of this here little belt loop. So here on the end of the straps you do have Louis Vuitton. I like the gold on here. I think this gold is a lot different than my Speedy, because I did get my Speedy like in 2012 or 13, and I think it was 2012 I got my first Speedy, or my first Louis Vuitton. I think since then they have made the hardware a lot better. We'll do an updated video on my Speedy, y'all, because even though I had that Speedy since 2012, it still looks really good. Like if I wanted to resell it, I could, but I'm not, because that's like one of the classic pieces that I will forever ever keep in my collection. On the bottom you do not have any feet, and I'm okay with that, because I don't ever put my bags on the ground. I see a lot of ladies put their bags on the ground, and I'm like, I mean, we talking like Louis Vuitton type bags on the ground, and I'm like, I don't even put my Coach or Marc Jacobs on the ground. I'm in a restaurant, if it's an extra chair, my bag goes in that extra chair, or if not, I'll use my purse hook that I have. Okay, so now let's see what's in my bag. Okay, and unzip this here particular bag, and I'm gonna show you inside of the bag. If I didn't mention, the inside of the bag is all black. It matches the black leather on the outside. Show you the features of the inside of the bag once we go ahead and empty her out and pull things out, no particular order. I do have my Prada pouch that I got for, I think it was Mother's Day or my birthday. In the inside of this I have a YSL lip. I have my Dior lip glow. This here is in the color 07. I think this is the pink one. I have another lip glow oil. This one here is in the number 15. It's so hard to keep these in. Like when they come, they sell out so fast. I have my Touchland hand sanitizer that I swear by, you all. I love this here hand sanitizer. Bath and Body Works too. Their smells are a lot sweeter. So yeah, you all, I really love this. If you don't have one of these, I highly recommend these here because they are just so cute and so handy. Item is my Louis Vuitton card case. What is this? A wallet or card holder. It's still going strong, you all. I did end up switching this out for the pink interior. Well, a whole different design because the first one that I showcased on my channel was the monogram print, and I'm switching it out and I ended up seeing the pink because I don't know why I didn't see the pink on the website, because I know I would have purchased that instead of the monogram print. Zipper her up. And then I also have my wife's shoe. I need to go get some new ones. And I'm going to go pick up my daughter today. So I probably will stop at Target and buy a brand new pack. Because if I show this in another one of my videos, and it'll scream. So yeah, I have my wet ones. My AirPods. I get a lot of questions on where I got this from. I got these from, I think it was TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Y'all, if y'all didn't know, TJ Maxx and Marshalls is the plug for iPhone cases and also AirPod cases. I also have my Fenty blotting powder. This is what I use when I'm out. This is what I use. Oop, I'm messing up my makeup. See, there I go doing stuff. And I also have my Gucci pouch, you all. I finally brought her out. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep what's in here, but I did decide to pull her out. I just wanted to switch up the things inside of my purse because I felt like I was using the same stuff. Here is the pouch. I don't think you can get this on the Gucci website anymore. You may have to call into the stores for this particular item, but if I can find this in stores, online for you all, I will link it down below. Addison Rae lip gloss. Like I mentioned before, this is my favorite lip gloss. I have my YSL lip balm. This is like a clear lip balm, you all. This is what I use to hydrate my lips because I don't wear makeup all the time, and so I just like to use a nice clear balm. Also have a small version of the Addison Rae. This here do come with a key hook where you can attach it to your keys. I will attach this to my keys because I feel like this would be way too heavy, so likely I probably will just keep the key ring in the inside and just stuff what I need in here. Now, a lot, let me just say, it holds a lot, but pack this the way I really wanted to pack it, but I just wanted to let you know this here little thing holds a lot. Moving on to my next item, which is my Chanel lotion. Like I said, I don't use this a lot, but I do keep it in. I do keep it with me. This is like my special lotion. Like, everybody can use my lotion, not the Chanel. Anyone needs to use some lotion, this is what I give them. The Bath and Body Works Vanilla Bean. Bath and Body Works again has nice lotion as well. Like, I love the smell of the Bath and Body Works lotion. I do have Summer Fridays lip balm, and I also have the Sephora lip gloss. This here is in the color Not Today. Not today, sis, not today. So yeah, I have that in here. At least, you all, I have my Fenty mirror. I don't know where my Chanel might be inside of my Louis Vuitton. Not least, if I didn't mention, you do have a inside pocket, which I have a pen, because like when I'm at the doctor's office, or I don't know, if I'm somewhere, I like to use my own pens because, you know, I just like to use my own shit. Any tags or papers that goes with the bags, I normally keep them inside of the bag, you know, inside of the bags it comes with. They don't have the date codes because back in the day, you would have like a date code like all the way in the corner of a bag. I think my Artsy has a date code, and my Speedy has the date code, but like my newer bags, they don't have like the date codes in the inside like they used to. Information that comes along with the bags, I normally just keep inside of the bags. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack the bag back with everything so I can show you how it looks on my body. Keep in mind, I have my Gucci pouch, Prada. I have my Prada pouch, my Louis Vuitton wallet, and my Fenty mirror. And I probably put that in the back where I have my pen at. I have my Fenty blotting powder, Chanel lotion, my Bath and Body Works lotion, pods. I don't think I packed this the right way. Hair bag, you do have to make sure you pack it right, because if not, the stuff, you know, the bag will bulge out in the back. The phone is in the front. I'm going to do for you all, I am going to attach the straps to the bag. Like I said, if I didn't mention, you do have these here gold rings where you can attach other straps. Will never buy, and I'm saying I will never buy a Louis Vuitton strap, because the price of a Louis Vuitton strap, you can buy a small accessory or put towards a new bag. Strap being really thick, it helps out. It's not digging into my shoulder, but you can feel the weight of this here particular bag. Strap could like shorten a whole lot where it could be worn as a shoulder bag as well. Also, this bag, it would have been nice if it have included like 2 straps at least, like a crossbody and a bag strap, but you know, with Louis Vuitton, they don't give you nothing extra. That's why I was looking into purchasing that braided strap that was on Amazon. And if I do decide to purchase that strap, of course I will share with you all. You have 7 holes on this here strap, so if you're a really tall one, so if you're taller than me, this here can hang really low. The only thing is, when I make the strap a lot shorter, it's nothing to protect this here at the bottom, and I don't like that, because eventually it would just start looking crazy if you wanted to carry it as a shoulder bag. The only reason why I don't like this here strap as a shoulder bag, because it's not, I like my shoulder bags to be a lot shorter, like up here. I can use this as a shoulder strap, but yeah, I'm not that girl that will wear this bag as a shoulder strap, because it doesn't feel secure. I don't know, it doesn't feel secure on me. Like, I feel like it would just come off. Alright, in the market for this hair bag, I do highly recommend this hair bag. Like I said, this here is one of those carefree bags. You don't have to worry about anything. If it rains, snow, whatever, you don't have to baby this bag. And that's what I really love about this here particular bag, because we are going on vacation soon. So I'm not sure if I'm going to take this bag or I may take my Louis Vuitton backpack, because if y'all didn't know, I had a bad experience with that backpack, to the point where I don't be wanting to, you know, carry it sometimes, because I did have a color transfer issue. I was able to clean it off, but now I'm just like scared to wear the bag. But I feel like if we're going on vacation, you know, I wanted something carefree where I can just throw it on my back and put my stuff in it and go. So I'm not sure what bag I may carry. I'm not sure if I'm going to carry this or the backpack. If I'm somewhere and we purchase stuff, I can throw it in my backpack. Like, it's just more comfortable than this, because like I said, I put anything else in this bag, it'll be way too heavy. I want to be comfortable, because when I wore those Steve Madden sneakers to Disney, when I tell you, it tore my toe up. Like, I really understand why that girl said, when you buy new shoes, do not wear them when you going to Disney. Wear your old comfortable shoes. And she never lied. She never lied. She never lied. I want to get on here really quick and do a what's in my bag video, and also share my thoughts on this hair bag. I love this bag so much, you all. This bag is just so cute and little. I like the PM size. Now, like I said before, they do have the MM. Carry a little more than I do, but the PM is a perfect size for me. This is my baby. She is here to stay. If you have any more questions regarding this hair particular bag, let me know down below, and you know I got you. Enjoy this hair bag review. Please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.